Hello everyone, and welcome to another spelling test video with Teacher John. This week we are focusing on some very difficult words to pronounce in the English language. And it's all because of the letters they end with. So there's 4 categories: words that end with STS, words that end with SPS, words that end with X, and words that end with FTH. Okay, this week I do not have the Thai translations because they don't translate very well, most of them. Okay, 7 to 10 would translate, but the grammar and the tense, I'm not sure how to translate it into Thai, so we'll skip that this week. Okay, so let's look at STS first. We need to make sure we pronounce each letter. The S, T, S. You are going to feel a bit silly saying these sounds at the end of the word. Even I feel a little bit silly saying it sometimes, but it's okay. We need to practice. Okay, so listen to me. The first word is costs. Costs. It's not just cost. It's not caught. It's costs. 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 The second word is lists. Lists. It's not list. It's not lit. It's lists. Lists. Okay. Now, the next 4 words end with S, P, S. SPS. So the final sound will be sp, s, sp, s. Can you say sp, s, sp, s? Okay. So I know you're probably laughing to yourself right now. It's okay. Let's practice saying these words. Lisps. 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 If you listen to me saying these words, the PS almost is combined into a single sound, a ps, ps. Lisps. Lisps. Okay. Next word is crisps. 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 Okay, the next word is grasps. Grasps. So let's practice saying the SPS again. S, P, S. Grasps. Grasps. Good. Okay. Next word is clasps. Clasps. S, P, S. Clasps. Clasps. Good. Okay, so if you want to practice more, you can just rewind the video, listen to me say it, and pause and practice on your own. Okay? Those words are very difficult to pronounce, I know, but just please keep practicing. You'll be happy that you did. All right, now on to our next category, words that end with X. All right. The X sound is really two sounds combined. It's a K and S sound. You combine those and you get a X. X. Same thing with the PS. It's a Ps. Ps. This is a KS. X. Alright. Many students will only say the K sound. Tuck. Fluck. Okay. You need to say the S as well. Tux. Tux. And this, alright, you need to be careful. You must say the L sound as well. So, x, flux, flux, flux. Okay, two words, tux and flux. Okay, so practice saying those words. Again, if you need to rewind the video and listen to me, it's okay. Alright, so again, we get to another category. This is words that end with a f sound. Ooh. If you remember, the TH makes a th sound. Your tongue needs to look like this. You're biting down on your tongue. Not hard. You don't have to hurt yourself. Just a little bit. And blow out. That is the TH sound. And everyone knows that. So, our first word is fifth. 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 Like I said, this is even difficult for me to say. If you can do this correctly, all of your teachers will be so impressed. The native speakers won't even believe that English is not your first language once you say fifth correctly. Fifth. Fifth. And this word, I believe this is the hardest word of all. So let's make it red. Twelfth. 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 Ooh, that one's hard to say. There's many reasons why. We have the TW sound in the beginning, the EL, and the F sound. Okay? So tw, L, F, 12th, 12th, tw, L, F, 12th. Okay? So I know these words are so difficult to say, but just for fun, please practice these. There won't be any sort of pronunciation test, but I think just practicing making these noises will help you with your pronunciation in many words in the English language. Okay? So that's it for this week. Unfortunately, there's no story this week. Just do not have time today. But next week, we will have a story. Good luck on your spelling test. Please study and do well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.